Guys, we're on the old bear and taking a spin on Memorial Day. Not sure when you guys will be watching this video. We're cruising with Hardheimer here. If you don't follow him on Instagram. He's also in the Ariel Rider scene. He's got the X class 48 volt. Trying to get him a 52 volt. On the lookout for one. So if you guys know of one around the New England area, Connecticut, Massachusetts, hit me up in the comments. Want to find that X52 for him. So it's a gorgeous day today. Thankful we don't have a party. We had a party yesterday. We'll cook out some burgers, some dogs. Nothing today. Not quite sure what that vibrating is, but you guys know. Let me know in the comments. A little concerning. Everything seems to be tight. Everything seems to be flush. So I'm not really sure what it is, but also thinking about getting some bar end mirrors, or not even bar end mirrors, because I can't put those on here unless I change out the grips. But thinking about putting some mirrors on here. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know so I can get a better view of what's behind me. Safety purposes, you know. Why are you stopping?
Huh?
Why are you stopping?
Why are you stopping? I want to put my camera on.
All right, well, Josh, I have to work tomorrow, so.
Huh?
I have to work tomorrow, so sometime today.
Right, we'll just turn my camera on. I forgot to set it on. There
Your camera should always be going, dude. Always be recording. Okay, cool. As you can see, you know, the tires spin when you start off a dual motor, so a lot of people complaining that their tires are wearing quickly, more quickly than they should be. My suggestion is to start in either the rear motor or the front motor only, and then switching to dual while you're going. It's just better for the tires, and honestly, you won't slip, you won't peel out. So just a suggestion. What I always try to tell people that complain their tires are wearing faster, because the tires on these bikes aren't the greatest. Obviously, everybody will tell you that. But again, they're still tires. They still work. They're still functional. So if you're looking for a better tire, you always have the option to upgrade your tire. But definitely suggest starting off in one motor only. So I usually do the rear. Gives you a little more power, because the front will slip out on you too. So usually start in the rear. Absolutely gorgeous. We went on vacation for a week and we came back home and everything was green. So we started with everything not, you know, blooming and not having leaves on it, to everything finally having leaves on it when we got home in just 1 week's period of time. I guess it rained a lot and it was pretty damn hot. Oh, fuck up the pedal assist today. Get some exercise. And believe it or not, guys, you can't get exercise on these bikes. I actually lost 17 pounds already this season just by riding my bike and pedaling more, you know, cranking that pedal assist down, get some more resistance. With the pedals, you definitely get exercise. So, guys, if you want to follow him, Hardheimer, on Instagram, trying to get him to start a YouTube page, YouTube channel, just hit him up, give him some love. Trying to get him to buy another camera. He's got one of those budget GoPros from Amazon. I'm trying to get him a little better camera, so give him some likes, give him some love. Really appreciate it. Also, if you guys notice, I'm recording a little bit different this time. Let me know if you like it in the comments. I've got a helmet cam, the DJI Action 2. Kind of getting a different perspective. Let me know which one you guys like. Do you like the chesty mount or the helmet mount? A lot of times too, even like watching some people ride with the helmet mount makes me a little sick sometimes, with them moving their head a lot, with quick movements and stuff. But I'm trying not to do that. I'm trying to keep my head mostly facing forward. If I do turn it a lot, let me know in the comments so I can stop doing that. But I love the helmet mount just because of the fact that I can get a lot of a lot more first-person views, like what I'm looking at. I'm gonna be using this for a lot of unboxing videos and stuff, and even like assembly videos. You'll give a little better view than the actual. I have a head mount one that I use, but I like the helmet mount a little bit better. And the ultra wide gives me a really wide field of view, which is awesome for, like I said, unboxing videos and stuff. So let me know what you think about the helmet cam that I'm using, opposed to all the other videos that I have with the chest mount. And guys, there is a way to keep the tire from spinning, even if you do start in the dual motors. Just kind of baby the throttle at first, you know, and then once you get going, go from there. You know? But as you can see, Josh is a bigger dude, but we like to pedal. We like to get our exercise in. Like I said, you can't get exercise on these bikes. The Grizzly, it's a little harder to do on the Grizzly just because of the fact that there's so much power, especially in dual motors. So if you switch to like something like the rear, it's a little easier to pedal, so you don't get that sudden burst of crazy power. I'm gonna hit up these trails over here in Farmington. You guys are from the area too. If you want to have a group ride or something, let us know. We'd love to ride with you. Get something together. Honestly, the e-bike craze really hasn't hit Connecticut yet, so we kind of like to get something going. I'd like to get something like a CT e-skate thing going on. So if you're interested in that, let me know. Love to get something together. Yeah, this Grizzly is badass, especially for like stuff like this too, with the all-wheel drive, the dual motors. This thing's so badass. And believe it or not, with its big size too, it's kind of easy to move around, nice and nimble. They just came out with a new X52 volt too, with turn signals, new suspension, a lot of good goodies on there. Even the rear saddle too, which everybody was interested in about. They have that with the rack. I think they call it the Pro Rack or something. But you can put the rack on there and also the seat over it, so you get that long saddle plus the functionality of the rack, which is really cool. Really cool idea from Ariel Rider. I'm telling you, man, innovative company. That's why I love their bikes so much. I'm telling you, they do really good stuff. They have really good products. Oh shit!
Pretty dope, huh?
Yeah, that's pretty cool, dude.
I accidentally stumbled across this. And as I'm going through, I'm like, wait, this place looks familiar. You'll see. Because this brings us down to where my dad used to work.
Nice. Is this where you saw the bear?
No. No, but there's definitely bears in here.
This isn't the same trail we went on with Tony, is it? Yeah. Oh shit.
Alright, brake test.
How good these Grizzly brakes really are on here. Oh, no issues, not a problem. Oh. Not a problem. Hear that? That is happening on and off, so hopefully you can hear that pretty well. It goes away after a while, so as you ride it'll go away. I think you mentioned something about it kind of working its way out. But I've got to get a long saddle for this thing.
Huh?
I gotta get a longer seat for this thing. It's hurt my ass.
Oh yeah. I think my ass is just so used to this now it doesn't hurt
Well, you
anymore.
got the bag. I mean, the bag's okay, right? The bag helps a little bit.
No, that's just there. That's got tools in it and shit. I don't use that at all.
All right. Well.
I got like the bump of the seat in
Yep.
my asshole. Mine won't even. Like I'm trying to burn out and it won't.
Oh, there you go.
I just can't put any weight on it.
Josh, you wanna switch it up so I can see you riding this?
No,
Why not?
it's all right.
Come on. Because I want to get you on video riding it.
You're gonna see that this thing has no power. You're gonna feel like, oh my god, this is so much softer.
Isn't it nice?
How can this be hurting your ass? There's literally nothing. There's literally no pressure on it.
All right, are we heading back or?
Yeah, but I don't want to ride this.
Why not? Well, ride around here. We'll go around here.
All right.
Let me follow you. Go. Don't be afraid of it, dude. No, it's not.
I also don't like that it's so close to me. I'm used to riding like this.
Yeah.
That's why I'm like.
Well, yeah, I got to move those bars back.
Twist throttle.
Well, I want to get the longer seat Because that way I can scooch back,
Yeah, then you.
and then it's longer.
Yeah.
Because I like the head. I don't really like the handlebars like lean forward. I like them more lean back.
Yeah. Yeah, it's way too close. Yeah, I'm not used to this kind of riding. I can't ride it like that.
No?
No.
You're crazy, dude.
I can't. I don't like the handlebar up high like that. It's got power though, that's for sure. Notice how this thing doesn't have any power?
Josh, put your bike next to mine. We'll take a picture.
Can I get that?
You got the frog?
Yeah, there's a bunch of them around here.
All right. Ready? What?
Little screenshot of the video. Taking my picture. Got it.
Oh, actually, yeah. That's a good idea.
Good pictures. You gotta set it up against something and put a timer on it. Put it back up against this one.
Oh, we good, man. We good.